Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about return field parameter in WP query. So this is very simple, which fields we want to return in our WP query. So by default it returns all the fields in the WP query. And what does it mean by fields? So let me show you. Here I am getting the books over here, so I'm gonna print out the query. Sorry about that. And let me refresh this page which we are looking in our all the WP query videos. So this is a whole WP query object, and in the object we have a result in this posts parameter. So here in the all post parameters, we have all our results. So these things you are seeing over here are the fields we are getting. So this we are talking about fields is these fields. So by default it returns all. So here we haven't passed that parameter over here. That means it is passing all the fields. And now let's try to pass only IDs. Sorry. And if I refresh this, it will just bring the IDs of the result. And if I pass this ID and parent, then it will bring ID and parent ID pair. So refresh this, and as you can see it is getting ID and post parent. So if that result has post parent, then it will display that number over here. So one thing we need to take care about is, just let me bring the IDs first and refresh this. So when we pass only IDs, then we get result properly in the loop. But if I pass ID and parent, in that case we will not get the desired loop, because whenever we pass this, these two functions are not applicable. So instead what we can do is we have to pass this global $post and let's try to print this post inside the loop, and let's see what we get. So we get ID, post parent, and filter. I'm not sure what is that. So we are getting the ID over here. So what we can do is we can pass this ID over here, and let's see if we get the result. Okay. Oh, sorry. It should not like this. Sorry. Inside the get the title. So yeah, forgetting the title, we have to pass this post id inside this function and we will get the proper result then. So that thing we need to make sure when we use this id and parent key pair. And that's it for all. I mean, that's all for this return field parameter. And yeah, if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for the watching the video. Thank you.